fruit jumping on the bed. Apple fell off and bumped its head. Banana called the doctor and the doctor said, no more fruit jumping on the bed. 4 little fruits jumping on the bed. Banana fell off and bumped its head. Orange called the doctor and the doctor said, no more fruits jumping on the bed. 3 little fruits jumping on the bed. Orange fell off and bumped its head. Strawberry called the doctor and the doctor said, no more fruits jumping on the bed. 2 little fruits jumping on the bed. Strawberry fell off and bumped its head. Grape called the doctor and the doctor said, no more fruits jumping on the bed. 1 little fruit jumping on the bed. Grape fell off and bumped its head. Apple called the doctor and the doctor